Hello, guys. You tell me welcome back. I'm not telling you welcome back. Just tell me welcome back. So, in this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can apply uh, singleton and Kivy, how you can use this to access multiple widget data without Jesus, like without calling self the guest screen, the ID, the root. The oh my god, it looks so ugly. In this video, we are going to make it look much beautiful. Last video I showed you how you can use singleton classes, but I made a change of mind thanks to Furious Burger on Reddit. He suggested something. He made me think again. So I rethink and I was like, yeah, let's remove that complexity. In this video, we're going to be using a module singleton instead of a class singleton. I would show you how. First of all, let's create our Kivy project using MVC for Kivy. If you don't know about MVC for Kivy, sorry, let me use this guy. Yeah, this one is perfect. If you don't know about MVC for Kivy is a project that I created. It's how would I put it? Is a copy of Kivy MD MVC pattern mini project, right? So it's a copy of it, but I removed so many things and I added so many things. I made it much kind of like dynamical, you understand? So um, there are so many features in it. I don't want to go into details, but I'm using this guy. Now, also, in the future, I will be adding um, this feature that I'm about to show you, the singleton pattern that allows you to access and get widget data easily. I'm going to be adding it to my MVC for Kivy. If you need it, you can do pip install MVC for Kivy. So now this is the way you create the project, the name of the project, no, the name of the module. This is a module inside of MVC for Kivy. What it does is to create a project for you. The name of the pattern is MVC. Dot is the current directory. Where do I want to create this project? I want to create this project here in this directory. This is the name of the project itself. Singleton app, Python version. These are not even necessary. I'll still remove them. So I'm going to hit the enter and our project is created. This is our project. So uh, first thing we need to do is close this baby out. I'm going to go into libs folder. I hate this package. I don't know why I just hate it. But anyway, uh, I'm going to create a new file. This new file will be called singleton. Now, sorry, singleton.py. My mic come closer a bit. Yeah. So what I need to do next is inside of this singleton.py, I will create a variable and just name it data holder. Yeah, and set it to an empty dictionary, something like that. Next thing I need to do is quite simple. I go to view model, not view model, I go to view folder, then roll down to base screen. Very important. I import this singleton. I'll say something like from libs dot singleton import data holder. Right? Data holder is a variable anyway. Uh, what I need to do now is just to come down here and then create. I don't know if you have coded in Android before, you will see something like intent dot put extra and intent dot get extra. So put extra is to put a data, maybe from a specific widget. You want to collect the text in the text field, right? You put it inside of an intent that put extra and ship it to the next activity. So here we're going to mimic something like that, right? So I'm going to say def put extra. And what does put extra do? Put extra accepts self normal, normal. So it accepts a key and a value. Now, what is this key? What do we do with it? We kind of like say data holder dot put. Oh, there's no put, but there's get Oh, sweetie. So what we need to do, we need to use this then key, set this to value, right? Now, next thing is to create get extra. Whatever function we are creating here, all the whole views, first screen, second screen, and third screen are being sub is subclassing this base screen. So it's kind of like, how do I put it? They are inheriting from base screen. This is the best screen for these three screens. So whatever thing I'm creating here, the others have access to it too. Simple. So get extra. I'm sorry. I'm going to get the key, right? And then I'm going to return data holder dot get key. I can equally do data holder the blah blah blah. I don't want to do it that way. Let's do it that way anyway because we're already using that. So yeah, now we can delete extra. Def. Let's use remove extra. That is if you. I don't see the reason why you should, but you should to save memory, something like that. Key. Want to return. No, we're not returning anything. We're going to delete it, right? Data holder key. So that's it. Yeah, that's it. In these three screens, what we're going to do specifically is to, here I'm going to create basic widget, right? No, let's start with first screen. Instead of first screen, what I would like to do is to create a box layout of button and what? I don't know. Box layout. I'm going to create, I hate this shit. Come on, stop giving me that stupid auto completion. You fucking shit. Anyway, let's set this text to yeah, fucking shit. Yeah, fucking okay, let's use shit. Let's not make it so gross. Then I'm going to say button. By default, this label is going to be white. Use empty label. Let's not deal with colors. I'm going to create a button down here. And I'm going to call this button don't fuck me. What the fuck, dude? Yeah, I'm going to say, what the fuck, dude? Yeah, yeah, dude. Something like that. And I'm going to set the on release to do some crazy shit. Like, um, first of all, it's going to say root.put extra, right? What are we putting? We're putting, uh, let's assume that this empty label is a name. We're putting a name. No, we're putting a command. Let's just say command is the key. And what's the value? Say, forgot to give this guy ID. Call it LBL. It's supposed to be MLBL because MD11 or something like that. Yeah. Anyway, stop fucking shit. LBL.text. Uh-huh. Now we've created a label and a button. I think it's remaining something to switch screens. To switch a screen, I forgot to do something here. I rather visit here. Dev, let me go. I'm going to add all these features in MVC for Kivy, right? Switch screen. So what's the name of the screen? Self, then screen name. I will say self.app dot add add screen, then screen name. Yeah, I prefer it that way so that it becomes easy. I don't want to do root.app. No. I don't want any stupid dependencies. So I can now say root.switch screen. What screen are we switching to? Maybe uh, second or third. Let's say second screen. Mm-hmm. So in our main.py, we're going to do something here. The first screen, by default, I set this to be login screen. I'm going to change it to first screen. Next thing we need to do, let me close out this. Why is that? It's confusing my life. Yeah. Okay. Close this baby here. Now, next thing we need to do is go to second screen and just say creative button, right? Text. Move your ass to third screen, something like that. And then I'm going to set on release to be root dot switch screen. What are we switching to? We're switching to head screen. The magic I'm trying to do here is to access a widget, right? From first screen to third screen. So remember, if you want to access it from third screen, you have to do self.app.root. Long process. No. We kind of like move our ass to third screen and then, we can get it. And let's see how we can get it. Third screen. Where's our third screen? This is our third screen. What do I want to do? I want to display text here. Text. What is going to be the value of the text? We can say root dot get extra. Oh my god, this is really sweet. What extra are we getting? A command. Remember, the key is command. Let me just put key here to make it a little bit explanative. Key equals command. Where's my first screen? First screen. Yeah, we can say key is equals to this value is equals to this. So let's run our code. I hope it doesn't crash. Maybe it will crash. Maybe, I guess. Because of the way the module is structured, this is not the root folder, root directory. I don't know. Yeah, I said it. Okay. There's no imports.kv. Let me just read that. I think I should add this. Again. Wrong code. One required positional argument. Fuck. I didn't create it with the database. There's a bug in my MVC for Kivy. In case you are not using the database, there's a bug. A serious bug. Uh Self the model. Let's just pretend and say something like what am I going to create right now? Object. What object here? What object? Instantiate the object. This is just testing anyway. Don't do this at home. Don't do it. Yeah, it worked. So fucking shit. I click this. It's going to switch. Move your ass to test screen. Let's see if we fucking shit. You see, we moved the data from first screen onto third screen. We didn't do self.ids to get self. Oh my god, who has that time on the planet Earth? We just created a singleton. Let me close this. We created a singleton on the libs folder, right? Assigned it to an empty data holder. Like, yeah, whatever thing you imported, once you import it once, it cannot be imported twice. Like, it cannot be. Something cannot be imported twice in Kivy. I mean, in Python, right? So once you import something, it's already there. If you need to create an instance, then you create a class, something like that, a new class, and then create a new instance that's out of the class. Or yeah, this is just a single thing. The whole app has access to this data holder. Yeah. So here on the base screen, we created a put extra to kind of like add data to this data holder, right? We want to add data to the data holder so that we can access it from anywhere on our screen. We use get extra to get a specific data from the data holder. We use remove extra to delete, though we don't make use of it. Switch screen is none of your business, but I think you have known what switch screen here is doing to switch from one screen to another. Yeah. So basically, that's the magic. I think I'm going to remove a whole lot of work from your own end. But in case you are not using the MVC pattern, maybe you're using a straightforward pattern, something like that, just straightforward KV method or something like that. But you have folders where you have different KV files. You can use this form of singleton to it would work for you perfectly. But put it in a place where you can have a global access to it, something like that, and it will work perfectly. Yeah, it would. So um, we put the kind of like put extra. We put the data here. That's the fucking shit, and we got that fucking shit from here, right? Remember, we didn't assign fucking shit here. We just got it from the extra, and boom, we have it. Let's run our code again, and I love the fact that it's a fucking shit. I just love that fact. So yeah, it says fucking shit. What the fuck, dude? Yeah. Mm, I don't know what the fuck. Move to the next screen. Oh, you asked the test screen. I'm going a little bit crazy right now. Yeah. And boom. We have fucking shit here. So we put extra. You can put data into the data holder and access it from anywhere on your screen. No more. What is it called again? No more ID, self.id, don't get this. Oh no, don't do that shit. It's crazy. Are you going nuts? Don't. It's easier this way. Your life is safe. Just that it creates something that you don't want. What does it create? It creates an overhead of memory. But make sure that's why I created that delete, remove extra. Once you use a data, right, and you feel like it is not going to be used again throughout the life cycle of your app, I think once you use it, delete it to free up some memory. If not, but anyway, it depends on how you want to design it. So guys, in case you didn't watch my last video, you will see it somewhere here on the screen, maybe here or there or there. I don't know where you see it. Where's my phone? Yeah, I told you I got a remote connect. Why did you disconnect again? Yeah. So look at that. Stop. Yeah, my yeah. Fucking